Today I want to demo a full walkthrough of the install and setup of the new 2.0 version of the event platform. Let's go ahead and get started on a fresh install of Drupal 11 by going ahead to the modules page and installing the event platform. We're going to start with Event Platform Olivero, which today is the way to make sure the blocks get placed in the right place. And let's go ahead and get that installed. Let's go back to the home page and notice it gives us a prompt to provide the event info. Let's go ahead and create the new event. So let's say 2025. Give it some start and end dates. We can give it the name of our event, give it something to put on the home page, and maybe what we'll do as well is we'll give it a CTA. So and now we can go ahead. Let's create the session or create the event. Do a save. And now we can see on the home page, it's listing our event. And now we're ready to go ahead and let people start to submit sessions. Now that I have some sessions submitted, I can go ahead and rate those directly within my website. With each session, I can go in and read up and then evaluate the session directly on the page. And then as I go back and refresh the page, it's going to show me the remaining sessions with the ones I've already rated at the bottom. Looks like I've got a little bit of work to do. Okay, I've only got one more session to rate, so let's go back in. And I'll point out that the ratings in here are actually all captured within a single web form Likert element. That means that if your camp wants to evaluate sessions using different criteria, it's a simple process to add or remove the existing criteria. You can change them up to whatever your camp needs. Okay, let's go back to our ratings page, and when we refresh, it tells us I'm all done. We could obviously have colleagues create their own ratings. It'll show the averages on the bulk moderation page, which can make it really easy for us to decide which ones we want to accept or reject. We can also narrow it down, so maybe we want to say, let's consider all of the beginner sessions and maybe take the top rated ones there. And let's go ahead and accept those. And then the remainder, we can, in a similar way, go ahead and bulk decline. So now we're ready to go ahead and start to schedule those. If we go in here, we can generate time slots. By default, it's going to use the start and end dates that we put in for our current event. Maybe in this case we say we know we want to have contribution day on the last day, so we only need time slots for the first 2 days. Time slots have been generated. If we want, we can change some of the criteria in terms of how things are going to be filtered, in terms of which sessions are going to be displayed for the schedule sessions interface. And now we can go ahead and drag and drop our sessions to schedule them. So it's a simple process. We can also filter. So again, maybe we want to say, let's try and have the beginner track all put together. Similar way, maybe we could say, notice as well that if two sessions are by the same speaker, then it's going to prevent us from scheduling those in the same time slot. So maybe we can put this one down here. And now maybe we want to put the intermediate ones into their own room so that people who want to follow that track, they can go ahead and have those all in the same room. And we can build out the rest of our schedule. Now going back to our event listing, we can go up to view our schedule. It's actually auto-generated tabs for the different dates on which we have sessions scheduled. We can go into a particular session and it's going to remind us how we rated that one, as well as show us a listing of concurrent sessions to make it easy to see and compare the different sessions in a particular time slot. If we go back up to the event, we can also do things like add a featured speaker. And those will appear right away. In a similar way, we can go ahead and add sponsors. And now when we save that, they'll appear automatically on the listing page as well. We're all set.